Trying something out new here. We got this 120 volt electrical heater with the grill that covers it. Heater, heating elements, mounting box. Let me show you how to do it. Let's cut out my piece right there. I just traced this wire up, make sure it's off. You're here. This is it. Turn it off at the breaker. Cut these things back. I got my roll mix.
Yeah, we're already chilling today.
Push it down. Boom. Now we finna go in like this. Yes, sir. Got the wire going straight down to there. And put the heater in. And we're back on. That old heating element right in here. We on. So that's what it looks like. Get a regular vent on the wall. Of course.